But hey friends, welcome back to another pottery tutorial. Today we are doing the second birdhouse. We're doing the square birdhouse today. If you didn't see last week's video, we did a round birdhouse. This is going to be another birdhouse that you can put next to your round birdhouse to add a little bit of variety to your yard. Okay, first things first, we need to tape together the two sides of SB1. So you want to just add some tape where it says attach here. And then we're going to be rolling out a 1/2 centimeter slab. This whole piece is going to be made with 1/2 centimeter slabs. You probably need to roll out a couple of them to cut out all the pieces. That's just fine. So you want to cut out SB1 and SB3 once, and the sides SB2 4 times for 4 walls. And go ahead and pop those in front of the fan for a few minutes to harden up. You want them to be wet but not floppy, so I like to put them in front of the fan for about 10 minutes. Okay, and then we are going to start with the roof. So you want to cut each end of the roof at a 45-degree angle. If you have one of these tools, that's great, but you will have to get into that corner with a needle tool. So you can use a needle tool for the whole thing or a knife, something like that. And then you want to score both sides. Go ahead and stick them together and smooth out the seam. Okay, we're going to start with the walls. So these are the 4 smaller squares. So go ahead and start cutting out 2 ends of the wall, 2 opposite ends of each wall at a 45-degree angle. This is where we're going to attach them together, and I find it easier to kind of prep all that ahead of time. So just start with 2 so that it can stand up and work your way around until you have all 4 attached. If you don't fully trust your corners, you can go ahead and add a coil along the inside like Bianca is here. That's totally fine. You can always add a coil to reinforce a corner. Okay, next up we're going to add the bottom. So you want to line up the walls over it, and there's going to be a bit of an overhang. That's totally expected. We want to attach first and then trim to size later. So mark where that should attach, and you can score both sides, attach it really good, and then you can trim it to size and blend. Okay, here comes the trickiest part. So now we need to attach the roof to the walls. And as you can see, the roof is not exactly square. Like, we're connecting something square to something round. So first up, you want to mark the roof where it's going to attach. So you're just going to mark and score as usual. And then you can sort of work the roof into that square shape like Bianca's doing here. This will give you like a really cool kind of wavy roof. But if you want to keep the roof more conical, you can also let it dry out a little bit more so it's more firm. It's not going to warp as easily. And then add a coil along the inside to close out those gaps where the round roof doesn't exactly meet the square bottom. Totally up to you what you want to do. It's just a decision if you want to keep it a perfect cone or make it a little bit more wavy. All right, friends, now comes the fun part. We can design the birdhouse to our liking, how we see fit. You know, go crazy. The template has a few ideas for you, but yeah, use your creativity here. If you want some more ideas, you can see the samples on my website. I also made a bunch of birdhouses over on my main channel for a larger birdhouse village project. So you can go check that out and see some more ideas there. I think Bianca did such a cute job with this one, especially the little flower on the side. All right, after glazing and firing, here is the final result. I think it looks so cute. I love these things. You really can't go wrong with these birdhouses because the more silly and playful they are, the more adorable they are, if you ask me. So I hope that you like the template. I hope that that was fun for you. Go check out the other round birdhouse template as well. And the link for the template is down below in the video description. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.